Well, here we are near the end. We have the unit mounted on the machine. And I checked it with the level. And of course, this is a high precision level. So anywhere in the bubble is pretty good. But this is what it looks like. Now, of course, my light is still out, and I do have another light. I went to Harbor Freight and I bought one. I just haven't put it in yet, so I have to use this flashlight. But I got that mounted solidly to the table. All the mounts. And I put a cross member in the front. This is the air supply for the braking system. Then the holding system for the top on both sides. Of course, I had to take my vise off. But it's looking good. Rotates nice. Of course, I don't have this hooked up right now, so I could rotate it. But it's nice and free. Doesn't hit anything. Everything clears. All these air lines clear. And the frame that I made worked out pretty good. When I tightened it down, it's pretty solid. The last time I had this frame, I didn't have the ball unit in it. And it was a little, you could feel a little shake in it, but now I don't feel any shake in it. Of course, there probably is going to be a little bit, because it is sticking up pretty high. I think it's about 7 or 8 inches above the table. But overall, I think it's pretty good. Trying to shake it here, and I don't notice anything noticeable. And I got all those bolts tightened down pretty good. Cross members in there. So we got to put the control box on it. Hook up a couple of wires. And be good to go. But yeah, this took quite a bit of time. I used these 2 holes here, and I had the frame hanging over the front of the machine upside down, and I put all the feet on it, the legs, and then I had to flip it up onto the machine, bolt it all down, But overall, I'm real happy with it. So we'll get a piece mounted in here, put that vise back on it, finish hooking up these little incidentals, get the potentiometer mounted back on the side, and start making some chips. But anyway, there it is. It's gonna be different, not tripping over this thing in the bedroom anymore. It's out here in the shop. Now, of course, it's on a 2-axis machine right now, just a X and a Y, manually operated. But that'll be good to give it a little workout, then eventually take it to work and put it on our little automatic machine. It has the one at work, you know, it's got the ProTrack controller, and I can make a program and start running some parts on the top, part on the side, and anywhere in between. So that'll be interesting. Can't wait for that to happen. But we got to start it here, make sure it works. And I don't really plan, you know, I've seen some videos where, you know, people using foam and this and that, and I do have some plastic, but you know, I want to start it. I'm going to start it out with some aluminum, and because it doesn't do me any good if I can only use plastic. I'd rather use aluminum. All right, major milestone here. Talk to you later.